so I'm back to do my hair for the memorial this year. By the time this video gets up, I'm pretty sure we've already had the memorial. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to style my hair for the occasion. The hair is getting really long too. Okay, so I just finished shampooing my hair. Anyway, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of my shea butter mix onto my locks. That's right. Yeah, I'll be adding shea butter to my locks. About that much, and then I'm just gonna rub it in, and then by that time it gets oily, and I just spread it all the way through, and it just keeps my hair nice and shiny. And then any excess I just put on my scalp. All right, so I'm just gonna start here in the back, get the parts. I'm just gonna feel for the parts. Get it straight. And then put this out of the way. And then I'm just gonna take small sections. Actually, not that small. Small sections like this. And then I'm just gonna do 2-strand twists. So I did not get a chance to retighten my locks. Like I really wanted to, and that was the plan. But Memorial season, everybody and their mom will be trying to get their hair done. And I have a really hard time saying no, because I know what that feels like when you just really, when you just really want your hair done. So I've been running around crazy with work and then service and trying to get them invitations out there. So this is just the day before. I'm really tired. I don't feel like doing my hair, but something needed to be done to it because it needed to be washed. So here I am. So got that twisted, and then I am going to swirl it around because I want a short look. I think, yeah, it's a good size or a good length. And then put a rubber band at the end. And that's pretty much just what I'm gonna do in the back. So I got like 2 more twists that I could do here in the back. And then I'm gonna try to do something a little different in the front. So this is the first row, and I'm just gonna continue to work up until I get midway, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, so I'm all done with the back. I'm not liking how it's looking, but I'm just gonna push through because I don't feel like starting over with anything else. So this is the back. It's a little uneven. It's not looking as neat as in my mind how I thought it would be. But I just want to show too that sometimes my hairstyles or my visions don't always come out as planned, and I don't want to be starting back over because I don't be having time for that. But here in this front, I am going to do like some cornrows going back, and then twisting it up like I did the back. So just like this. And then twisting it. And so although I didn't retighten all my locks, I did just do like the first 3 rows here in the front. That way the front can look like I gotta retighten, even though I didn't. Well, at least not all over. And then I'm just going to measure and then twist over. And then rubber band it. And I'm gonna do another braid, just like that one. Cute so far, right? So then here on the sides, I am just going to do some twists just like I did in the back. And they'll just be coming over to the side. Okay, so I come here to the top and I am going to braid this front part going down and then twist like I've been doing. And I feel like it's really coming together and it's looking cute now. Whereas before it felt like, you know, it was a half done style, so it wasn't really sure. But again, I just, you know, the whole purpose of my channel was to encourage how like our hair is so versatile, and no matter what, like something is gonna turn out cute if you just keep pushing. Because I feel like a lot of people give up or they feel like they can't do things, and so they don't try. And these videos are only to just encourage. Like even my stuff, like I do hair for a living, but there's a lot of times where I feel like I don't know about this one, this ain't gonna be cute. And a lot of times I don't start over because I don't want to, and I just don't feel like it, and I just keep going because I'm like, I won't know until it's done. And I feel like now it's really starting to like come together and look super cute. So I am so far happy with it on how it's looking now. In the beginning I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? But I know I'm gonna start it over because I'm like, ain't nobody got time for that because I'm tired. And then the last one, braid this one down. And I'm glad I retightened the front because it looks like super, I don't know, neat. Which is always a good look when neat locks. And the good thing about this is, like, for me, like, I feel like any of these hairstyles that I do could be done on like short locks, long locks, loose natural, all that. Just like take it and just put a spin on it. Cute, right? Yes. I don't know, let me see what it looks like in the back. Yep. I am happy with it. See that? So I'm just gonna put on some of my finishing touches. So first I'm gonna use my Maintain Gel. And all these products that I'm featuring today can be found on prettydimplesstudios.com. And I will also link in these products in the video so that if you are interested in purchasing, you certainly can. I am highly encouraging you to purchase these. And I love using them in the video so that you can see that I actually use them and that they actually work. And I'm never like, I don't be doing like a whole big, too much swirling when it comes to the baby hairs, but I do like a baby hair game going on. And I do find that I do like using the brush better than the comb like I normally do. So these little brushes, oh my gosh, they come in handy. And then I'm going to add some of my itch relief oil on my scalp. And especially like after a retightening, this oil just feels so soothing because it has eucalyptus and it just makes the like tingly. I love anything that makes my scalp feel tingly. And I just put this all over. And then rub it in. And so if this was like loose natural and you gave it some twist, I would have put on some of the foam wrap to seal in all of the twist to keep it a nice hold. And I would have also used my Maintain Twist and Curl custard, which I will also tag in the video. So after I get all dolled up, I will take a final pictures, but this is the final look. And this is gonna last me like a minute. So styles like this are always just so easy because like it's like done. Like when you have locks, it's so easy to be lazy with your hair because your hair is like already kind of done. But then when you have a style that you really ain't gotta do nothing with it, you just really get up and go and it's done. It's a good thing. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for pictures. Bye.